Hello, I'm Morgan.
And I'm Jamie, and we're the owners of Construction of Style.
Today we're working on a basement remodel and we're installing all the trim in the remodel. We're choosing to use the Metrie Complete pre-finished option because we love the way that it comes pre-finished, it comes pre-painted, so it makes it super easy for us to install it.
And with this project, we're leaving the carpet down. It's great to have a pre-finished product. We don't have to go in there, cover the carpet, waste a day painting. We can get in and get out, and it saves a lot of headache on my end and for the homeowner too. And with the Metrie pre-finished molding, they finish it in the factory so you have a perfect paint job, perfectly flat, no drips or runs or anything, and it's just ready to go in.
We treat our clients just like how we'd want to be treated.
So it's an added value when we can use a pre-finished product like Metrie.
It saves us a lot of time and they know the value in that.
We had a great experience with Construction of Style. We know they have partnerships with some of the best vendors in the industry, so we knew the quality of products they were bringing into our home would be amazing.
Morgan and Jamie were very transparent throughout our entire process, and the Metrie trim that they used cut down on labor costs, which made our project much more affordable.
So we wanted to show you guys our most recent project using Metrie Complete. This is the basement refresh that we did. We painted the walls, the cabinetry. The walls took forever because we painted white over beige, so it took me a lot of coats. So once Jamie was putting up the trim work, it was so nice for him to just put it up. We didn't have to paint any of the trim or finish any of it. And here's what it is. To learn more about Metrie Complete, click the link.